Alright, my people. Me there again, my people. Big up and respect to each and every one. Manners and respect. See, yeah, my people, I have some things I want to talk to you about. But I'm going to present a video to you first. And we just go and line up certain things right here. See? So the video I present to you is going to show a police from within the country of Jamaica. And you can hear a person saying certain things in the video. Alright? So look and listen to the video and tell me what I think. Observe, my people.
Comment you, coolies, you seize a vehicle and you run left a vehicle because you take it to the side bus. How are they there, sir? Mr. Thomas, what are they there, sir? Tell me, man. Yeah, this one have to go on TikTok, the government see it. Mr. Thomas, what are they there? Mr. Thomas, on the side bus there. Tell me, man. Can you seize a vehicle and left if you go and take it away? Tell me, man. Who are Andrew Wallace in that one here? So you see this two bus now with Mr. Thomas. Who are Andrew Wallace in that one here? You see this two bus from last week till now. I get a car every season, you don't seize it. I run come on upon two bus when I deserve it, Mr. Thomas. This is wickedness, Andrew Wallace. You see sufferation, Andrew Wallace. Andrew Wallace.
Alright, the people. So tell me if you think the person who you can hear talking the loudest in the background of the video was either joking with the police officer or not. You know, because, you know, me I look at the police officer face and my people, just tell me what you think about that video, alright? Yeah, big up to all of the peace officers them and big up to the police who I'm seeing at the video, alright? Yeah, now upon some serious topic now, my people, see? Now, my people, you see, anytime you try to stand up for your rights when it comes down to certain things, you really and truly have to be careful. I see a video on social media that shows a confrontation between two persons. See? One of those persons you can hear talking in the background of the video. And there were other persons there trying to de-escalate the situation, which the situation de-escalated after a certain amount of time. See? Now, based on some things that I saw and heard in the video, I got the understanding that the person who was talking in the background of the video called a person who you can see in the video boss and said that the person pushed the person who was talking in the background of the video. The person also mentioned the word pay in that video. And the confrontation that I saw in the video was really and truly a hostile confrontation. Now, my people, I see a post on social media that shows what seems to be a letter. So I'm going to read some of those words from the paper that I saw in the post on social media. I want you to listen carefully, my people. Listen this. Incident which occurred at a certain number, Padmore Drive, Kingston, and so forth. I block out certain things now, because I can't bother the foolishness. So I say, listen this. We act for and the behalf of Mr. Skip out the first name, Cornwall, and skip out the part there, Electronic Limited. Certain things I mentioned. Watch this now. We make reference to the caption matter concerning the involvement of. This part mentions a person's name. You know, I now mention the person's name and so forth. Notice me blank out certain things when it comes down to this letter. You see me call some call it letter. Say so listen. Gaining access and creating an unauthorized video footage of the premises of the company or the place name something like that, Electronic Limited. You see me? Left out the part there again. Its staff and management. The said unauthorized video footage was edited and posted to several social media platforms. The result of which communicated information that contained untruths, distorted images, and other harmful content. We require the removal of the publication by you, the creator, and demand a full public apology from you on the said platforms on which the harmful content appeared with immediate effect. Yo, let me read the rest. If you fail to comply it is our intention to pursue civil as well as criminal legislation against you to its fullest without further reverting to you. Be guided accordingly, and then a certain name and so forth. So basically this coming like, cause if you're looking, you can say attorneys at law. My people, me I go say some things, you see? And me only go by some things when me read in the letter and some things when me see and hear in the video. And I only hope that you know which video that I'm talking about, my people. How some people stay some people? How some people really and truly think certain ways in their life? So it's like you for work and certain things you for just take and that's it. I'm going to ask a question, and this is for all company owners and bosses out there. If you are work for a client and the client owe you, are you going to continue do work for that client? The video when we see in my people shows a person be very aggressive. Me never mention the person name, you know. And you see that video there? That video there will be placed on social media. See, who's to ever create that video? Maybe I got a hard time to get that video from everywhere off social media if that person decide to do so. That is if that person can even do so. See, boss and owners of company should not behave or will never behave the way how me see a person behave in the video that I saw, my people. So this reach on social media. So I assume that when this reach on social media, you know what this mean. Whosoever this had been sent to, really and truly I try to make everybody out there see what I want. Violence not solve nothing, but no ram to expose injustice. On to another topic. Now, I read a news article that gave me the understanding that the body of a female was found at her home in Hanover, Jamaica on Tuesday. Now, I'm going to explain to you in my words and according to how I understand the news article that I read. Now, according to information that I got, it is said that the female is said to be in her 30s, mid-30s, and it is said that she's an employee at a hotel. Okay? Now, it is said that the female had been identified as a person who goes by the last name of Smith. Now, it is said that the female had been murdered, viewers and subscribers. And it is said that the husband for the female had been arrested in a other parish. See? And it is said that the husband is to be questioned pertaining to how the female died, viewers and subscribers. There are also some allegations as to how the husband had been arrested or ended up in police custody, viewers and subscribers. You understand? Yeah, we're not quite sure how that happened. But anyways, so we get some information about the marriage, see, as to how long they had been married and all different kind of things, viewers and subscribers, see. And it is said that residents within the community smell some form of foul smell coming from the home where the female lived, and the police had been summoned about the situation, and the body had been discovered, and that it is alleged that police or investigators said that there is no sign of forced entry. Yes, I ask some people, it is said that the husband was not seen at the home when the female's body was found. And based on the information that I got, viewers and subscribers, it is said that the female's body was decomposing. So it seems as if the female had died for some time now, viewers and subscribers. See? Yeah, so that's basically information that I got. On to another topic now. I see a post on social media, basically on Instagram. And the post contains a video and words as well to viewers and subscribers. See? Now, in the video, me hear when a person used some words that sounds somewhat similar to words that have been used in a song that have been done by a musician who goes by the name of Valiant. See? Now, my people, I'm going to read some of the words them from that post there to you. Yes, I'm going to read some of those words from the post to you. So me answer my people. I'm going to listen carefully. See? Yeah, I might not read word for word. I done this thing, Just I do my thing. See? So, Minister with responsibility for information, Robert Morgan, has expressed concern over the lyrics of some dancehall songs, which he says continue to make, I assume that this means wrongdoing. Seems like the two words them join together. Anyways, and illiteracy fashionable. Alright. See? Now, we can read the rest of this, but, it's right there, you can see it. What I want to do now, I want to read from a comment that has been made from a social media account or a social media page that Tanya Stevens used. Yeah, Tanya Stevens, the musician. So listen, see? So, dance became fashionable when politicians made it so. The money spent on... Alright, I don't know if I say about that part there. So I say, I don't know dance thing, but I'm going to skip over that. You did it, so. You see it for yourself. Failed ambition could have gone a long way in glamorizing smarts. Politicians create the cracks in the education system, then blame the poor. HAPLESSCHI. Me I left out that my people, Yeah, back at the class, but subject there, Now, a news article that I read said that Morgan questioned the lyrics of trending songs. That's what I say, and that, let me read piece of news article, right? So I read that part. That part I said, I heard my son playing a YouTube video and he wasn't playing it because he looked for it. Yeah, right. He was just on his tablet and I heard bounce check in an account and make. I wonder if that part is accurate, the people. Yeah, just before skull. But another part is upset. None of you no dance yet. Back at the class, me nah no subject. And I wonder, when did dance become fashionable? Morgan asked in reference to dancehall artist Valiant's trending song. So me answer my people, so me make sure me read out that part there. Well, hear what me answer now. When you hear politicians start talk about a music for artists, you see? Obviously, it'll create waves, you see? Yeah, and that can be a good and a bad thing still, But at the same time, you have to accept the good with the bad and be careful. Because it's when certain people in society start talk about you and the type of song the way you do as a musician, whether you want to be a veteran or a young artist, it quite depends still, But still be careful. You see me I say, and try to put more positive out there than negative too. Yeah, because that will more do more good out there, you see me? Yeah, man, me I tell you straight up and down. And freedom of speech still, my people. And if you say that song you really and truly shot, because the song you really and truly are going all over the place, But a freedom of speech, songs, or some songs might have banned on radio, but at the same time, you have people who are going to listen, and it might have make certain types of songs that can't play on radio go viral on social media. And I just saw the thing, you see? Valiant, big up yourself, and Morgan, big up yourself. I just saw the thing, you see me I say? Yeah, man. Bounce check, this, that. Is it? I want to hear the one in your science. Yeah. Anyways, I ask me I left it. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.